Hello everybody, I'm Tracy Dishman from takelessons.com, and today I'm going to show you a really easy way to make a capo on the fly. Let's go! Alright, so this tool right here, this is what we're going to try to replicate on the fly, because maybe you left this guy at home, so over at your friend's house or whatever, this is stuff they might have laying around, hair bands, clothespin, sharpie. Today we're going to use some rubber bands and a pencil, because you can find this stuff just about anywhere. These that come off of produce are really great for this because they're a little thicker. Just throw them in your case, a little handful of this stuff, doesn't take up much space, and then you have it. Okay, so let's get started. So here you go, appropriately named rock and roll. We're just going to put this guy right here. So what you want to do is take your first band and we're going to fold it in half. And you loop one end over your pencil. And we're just going to bring it right underneath the neck. And get that guy in place. And what you're going to do is keep adding bands to this until you can pluck each string and get a clean tone. See, some of those still sound just a little odd, so we're simply going to add another band to this. Let's check. Still off. Let's adjust a little bit. Another band is going to go on at this point. So now we got 3. Let's see what we have. That's all there is to it. How cool is that? Super easy, super quick. If you want to hone your skills on guitar, or any other instrument for that matter, be sure you check out takelessons.com. You guys have a great day, and thanks for checking us out.